So guys, it's a very good result. We've made $5,000. All the citations were profitable and not a single loss. Hi guys, today it's a very good day to overclock the deposit, to make money, and to show you all this strategy and how all this process works. You asked me lots of questions about technical analysis, about the resistance and support levels, so of course it is very important and I will remind you it lots of times, and I am sure that you know it exactly. Of course, you know that technical analysis is the very crucial thing in trading, and of course it's not only about luck, you also must know all the citations, because you remember that all the citations on the market repeat, and you must predict all the price movements, and this technical analysis will help you do that, and of course the indicators as well, and of course your experience. So if you trade a lot, you will gain this experience. And of course guys, if you want to gain this experience faster, you want to trade with me in one team, to copy my strategies and to understand all these things, and with my help, you can come to my Telegram chat. You know, I really believe that first of all we need to copy someone, and only then we will understand how to create our own strategies. So guys, if you want to come to my Telegram, you just need to write me the code word private. You'll find the link in the description under this video. And of course, if you want to see the reviews of real people who are already in this private chat, you need to find the link to the open Telegram channel with these reviews, and you will understand that everything is clear, everything is honest, and real people give their opinion about this. And someone says really that these trading signals that I post into the private chat really helps them out, and it's very important for me. I feel proud of this thing. So guys, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, ready, comment, and we're ready to start. Hi everyone guys, today we're trading on pocket option platform, and today as usual I will try to overclock my deposit. We will start with $10 and I would like to make it $5,000, and of course it's okay if it's very close to $5,000. So guys, let's start. Well, here there is the support level, and also the price touched this level, and after that there was a very good rollback up, and at this moment the price again has approached this level, and after the small flat there is the rollback up happening and the downward movement continuing. So let's open a trade way down, let's do it for 3 minutes, and also pay attention that the price maximum is getting lower, thereby sticking to the level, and think that very soon the price will continue moving to the support level, and 3 minutes will be very enough here. So let's check it. Well, I like it. The price continued moving down to the support level, and we closed our trade profitable. 3 minutes were enough here, so I like this start. Let's continue. So here we can see the resistance level, and at this moment the price has been sticking to the level and isn't bouncing very far from this level, and I think that this level will be broken through very soon. So let's open a trade for 3 minutes with up, because I'm expecting a small flat or a small pullback. So after the small pullback down, the upward movement continued and we had time and closed our trade profitable. So here we can see the resistance level again, and also there is the uptrend here. The price hasn't approached this level, but I think that very soon it will continue moving up. So in this situation we need to open a trade for 3 minutes with up, and I think the price will continue moving up because it's a very good potential for an increase here. So guys, let's check it. So it's not bad. The price continued moving to this level. There was a very good pullback down, and it's brought us the profit, and this time was enough here. So maybe in this situation it would be better to put 2 minutes, but anyway our trade is profitable, and let's continue. So it's the support level here, and also this moment the price has been moving to our level, and after the impulsive candle there was a rollback up. So let's open a trade for 3 minutes with down. I think that very soon the price will continue moving to this level, and 3 minutes with a reserve because I'm expecting the small flat maybe. So guys, I want to check it. Well, it's very good. After the pullback up, the downward movement continued, and this trade is profitable again, so we need to continue. So it's the resistance level here, and also the price has approached this level, and there was a pullback down. And this moment there is a attenuation here, and there was a false breakout of this level. So guys, let's wait. Let's open a trade for 3 minutes with up. I think the price will keep on moving to this level, and maybe it will be broken through because there is very good potential for an increase. You can see here. Well, I like it. The price has been moving quite impulsively, but anyway, you can see the breakthrough of the level, and we have got a very good profit here. So let's keep on now trading. So guys, I rendered the chart to the left, and I can find the lowest points of these candles. I put here the support level, and let's come back to the beginning. And here you can see the price approached this level, and after the small flat there is the rollback up here. So in this situation we need to open a trade for 3 minutes with down, because the price probably will continue moving to this level, and maybe this level will be broken through, and the price rolled back to the inner level, and I think the movement will continue also, and price maximum is getting lower, and also the potential of the price is for a decrease. Well, it's not bad. The downward movement continued, and we have got the profit. 3 minutes were enough here, so let's keep on our trading. Well, it's the support level here, and also this moment there is a very good downward movement, and even there is sticking to the level. So let's open a trade with down for 3 minutes. I think that very soon this level will be broken through. 3 minutes with reserve, because I'm expecting the small flat maybe, or a small rollback up, and only after that the downward movement will resume. So guys, let's check. So it's not bad. This level has been broken through, and it's profitable trade here. So let's keep on our trading. Well, it's the support level here and resistance level as well. At this moment the price has been moving in this range, and also you can see the price has approached the support level, and there is sticking to the level, and also the price maximum is getting lower. So here I would like to open a trade for 3 minutes with down, because I'm expecting the price to go down, and this level will be broken through. So guys, let's check it. Well, it's not bad. The price continued moving down, and the support level was broken through. We are getting very brilliant profit, and this time was enough here. So everything's going well. Let's continue. So it's the resistance level here, and the price has touched this level and then bounced down. And also pay attention to the uptrend. The price minimum is getting higher here, and I think the price will continue moving to the resistance level, and maybe this level will be broken through, I suppose. Let's open the trade for 3 minutes with up, and again it's the better reserve, because I'm expecting the price to move in this range, and only after that there will be the breakthrough. So let's check it. Well, it's not bad, guys. As you can see, the price kept on moving up, and we have got the profit. So this time was enough here. So the price hasn't broken through this level and continue moving in this range. And also there was a small rollback to the line of our trend. So let's open a trade right here again, because I'm expecting the price to continue moving, and this level will be broken through completely, and the price will go higher. Let's do it for 2 minutes with up. I think that this time will be quite enough here, so let's wait. Well, it's not bad, guys. There was the breakthrough of the level, and we have got the profit here, and I like it. So the price is moving quite impulsively here, and after the breakthrough it bounced down, and then the upward movement continued, and then this level was broken through completely. So we are getting the brilliant result. Let's continue. So it's the support level here, and also you can see the price is moving with candlesticks down. And also from this level there was a very good rollback up. So in this situation, let's open a trade for 2 minutes with down. I think that very soon the price will continue moving to this level, and in this situation 2 minutes will be the best idea here. So let's wait. Well, it's not bad, guys. The down movement continued, and it's brought us the profit, and 2 minutes were enough here. So our deposit is $3,000 already. So let's continue and open the last trade for today. So let me find something interesting. So it's the support level here, and also at this moment there is a very good impulsive downward movement. The price touched the level of support, starts to bounce up. So in this situation we need to open a trade for 1 minute further up. I think that very soon from this level there will be a very good rollback up, because in most cases after this impulsive movement there are bounces in the opposite direction, and especially when the price touches the level. So guys, let's wait and see what can happen. Well guys, it's awesome! From the level there was a very brilliant rollback up, and it's brought us the very brilliant profit. So our deposit is $5,000, and I think it's enough. So guys, it's a very good result. We've made $5,000. All the situations were profitable and not a single loss. So guys, I'm very happy that we were trading together today, and I'm waiting for you in my private chat. Remember that it is closed chat for chosen ones, but you are welcome to become this one, of course. You just need to find the link to this in the description under this video. Find me in the Telegram and write me the code word private. I will add it to this chosen private chat, and you will be trading with me in one team. Nothing secret actually, just trading signals that will help you make your own money. So guys, subscribe to the channel, put your like, write a comment. Let's create a very big team of trading, guys, and see you in the next video.